Good morning, guys. I'm going to cheerleading.
You're going with Daddy
To
cheerleading. Good morning. It is Saturday morning and Leigh and Millie have just gone off to cheerleading for about an hour and a half. They're normally gone. So I am here with the boys. I've asked the boys what they want to do whilst the other two are at cheerleading, because I normally like to spend a few minutes with each of them separately, whatever they want to do, whether it's just watching them on their games, drawing, going to the park, whatever it is. But this morning they have said they want to spend their time together with me and go Pokemon hunting. We haven't been Pokemon hunting for a very, very long time. It was Ted's idea, so we're going to go and take a walk around the village and see if we can find some Pokemon. Now this is Millie's third time at cheerleading and I'm so pleased because she's tried so many different groups and she's gone for 1 week gymnastics, ballet, and then she's been, no, I don't like it. And I don't think she likes massive groups. Now this one's really good because it's only got 2 children at the minute. She's the second child to join. It's a new group, so I think that's really boosted her confidence. When we went to the Glowworm Festival, both days there was a cheerleading activity there. It lasted about half an hour and she went straight off and she joined in and she really enjoyed it. So I think, hello, yes, 1 minute, are you ready now?
Socks, teeth.
Good boy, you go and get your shoes on and your phone and then we'll go.
My phone's behind you, so I'm going to take my phone.
Okay baby, he's super excited because like I say, we haven't been for ages. Yeah, so I think she's finally found what she likes because she's so flexible and she loves to dance, but obviously ballet wasn't for her, gymnastics wasn't for her, and I think cheerleading has got gymnastics in it, but there's that fun element to it which I think she really, really likes. So yeah, she's gone there anyway. I'm just waffling now. She's gone there with Leigh and I am going to take the boys to Pokemon Go, and we need to get back for about 11 o'clock because my stepdad is coming because he's going on holiday with Granny for a week and we are looking after Daisy Dog, which means we're going to have 4 dogs for a week. It's all good fun though. Ted has asked this morning for a certain tough tray, haven't you? What did you say you would like, Mummy?
A quarry.
A quarry with...
Because we can we can like pretend that they fell in there and we can dig it up and put the water in.
We can
and dig it out because they're going to be orbeez and water in it.
And that sounds like lots of fun, doesn't it? So you're going to help me do that, aren't you, later? In a bit, we're going to go out together and we're going to set up the diggers and the little trucks and make a quarry. So we'll show them later, won't we?
This ponytail.
You've got your hair tied up like that. Sometimes you like to have it tied to the side because... Why, Ted? Do you want to say why?
Because it's easier to see if I'm doing like Pokemon, because when I look down, all of it drops on my face.
Yeah.
When I look like this, it's fine.
That's right. But you don't want it quick enough, do you? You want to keep it. You like to have the best of both, don't you? Sometimes have it over and sometimes have it tied up out the way if you're doing an activity.
And sometimes, you saw in my Fortnite dance video,
That's right.
Pineapple.
That was a long time ago, that dance, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, you had a pineapple, didn't you? Right. Do you want to go and get Alfie?
Yeah.
And we'll go Pokemon hunting.
Why is it taking me further from the tree?
We're at the Pokestop, guys.
What? Yeah.
You getting some balls?
I'm trying to incense.
Go a bit close to the gate, Alfie.
Incense. Where's an incense? Incense. Okay, I'll put an incense on. Yes!
You got it, Alf? Alfie, you got it?
Yeah. Oh, no, it's
good.
Escape. Oh, sweet, like loads of stuff. It flew after all those Pokeballs. We're cheerleading.
drive. You had a fun time?
Yeah.
You're going to come again next week?
Yeah.
Is it really good here?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Give me 5. Well done.
Second poker stop, did you get them?
Yeah. My 5k egg is almost hatched, and my 10k egg is on the way.
Oh, how are you doing, Alfie, with your eggs?
I've got and my one hatched.
Okay, one. Okay, awesome. Come on then.
No, my 2-kilometre egg.
Millie and Leigh have just got back from cheerleading. I messaged Leigh, and on the way home I asked if he could pop to Pound Stretcher and grab me a couple of storage boxes and some wrapping paper for Alfie. So we've got this wrapping paper. I'm going to try and get his stuff wrapped up sooner rather than later. I'm trying to be super organised this year. And then he's got me some smaller boxes for our season tree. We've got a little white tree that we change every season, and I needed some storage boxes to keep all of the other season that we're not currently in to store it. And then he's got some super big ones because I need some for our Halloween stuff and for our Easter stuff. And also Alfie has a bunch of bears. He's cleared out his room and he's got so many bears, so I want to put some of them. He doesn't want to throw them, he's a bit attached to them, which is fine. He wants to keep them for now, so we're going to put them in the plastic tubs, and then I'm going to pop them in the loft out of the way because his room is super small. And when Leigh got back, he always buys me flowers once a week, but this week he's gone one step further, and it did make me chuckle. It's very thoughtful and it's really beautiful, and I just need to find somewhere for it to live now. But yeah, he's gone one step further than a bunch of flowers. When he pulled up with it in the car, it did make me laugh, but it is so beautiful. How can you not be happy with anything pink? So now I'm going to go and try and find somewhere for it to live, because apparently it's got to stay indoors. Oh, it's so pretty, bless him, he is thoughtful. So I'm going to go and do that now. So, we've done the tough tray, haven't we?
Yep.
And what is it today?
I actually don't know what it is.
What would you say it is?
Site.
Construction site.
They're building houses, look over there.
Yeah, building houses. What else have we got? Do you want to explain all the bits? Alfie?
Yeah.
Do you want to explain all the bits?
So this bit here is like a construction site with like diggers where they go through the hole. This is a quarry. Then I don't know what this is, more to the construction site. That's like a lake. That's like houses, and then there's like more construction site where they're building houses. And that's the there's a road. That's where they jumped over. That's where the horses were jumping over before. And look how cute these are.
They are super cute, aren't they?
I filled them up.
Millie did fill those up, didn't you, Millie? Alfie?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You like cars, don't you, babe? So this one is one for the boys today because we had the farm out for Millie. Although Millie, do you like it too? Do you like it? You've been playing with it, haven't you?
What's happening tomorrow? What I'll do in a couple of days.
I don't know. I haven't got any plans. We'll have to have a think about what we could do next one when this one's been finished. When we put this one away, won't we?
What are the hobbies?
The kids are happy playing with the tough tray, and I am spending today on and off sorting through some of the kitchen cupboards downstairs and some of my paperwork and things like that, because I find without you realising it creeps upon you and you've got things from years and years ago. So actually just cleaning out one of the drawers downstairs in the kitchen, and I found some school letters in there. Now they haven't been in school since, well, how long has it been now? Almost a year and a half, and I still got some letters, so it felt so good to throw all those away. So nice to not have to have all that to worry about, and all those added pressures of school trips and all the rest of it to add into your daily routine. I actually find it a lot less stressful now. I'm in complete control of all their days out and their outings and all the rest of it. But I was just filling in my new calendar for the birthdays, which I showed you in one of the videos earlier in the week that I got from B&M for £1, my bargain, which I was really pleased with. And I thought I would show you quickly one of the organising things that I use to organise birthdays and birthday cards. Now you can buy folders where you've got each month on, and then you can keep the cards for each month behind each section, but they're super expensive. I've seen them on Amazon and they're not cheap. So what I've done is I've got just a ring binder, normal one, I think it was from the pound shop, pound, and I filled it with plastic wallets, and then on the first page, you can see it, on the first page I've put all the months and I've put all the people's names and the dates of the birthdays, and then behind each one, oops, each month then I can use up and I can fill with birthday cards. Now I've done just the end to the end of the year now, so I've done September, October, November and December, so all those birthday cards are bought now, and that's including Alfie, Ted's and Millie's. This is a super busy time of year for me because all their birthdays have come at the end of the year, and it's just before Christmas as well, and there's bonfire night and there's Halloween, so it's by far my favourite time of year, but it's also by far our busiest. So I try to be as organised as I can, start to get the presents. I mean, I've got most of Alfie's now for his birthday, and I've got quite a few Christmas presents already too. My nose is itching, I think it's a hay from the tough tray. I've got quite a few of Christmas presents as well. So yeah, I just thought I would show you that handy tip for storing birthday cards. Hey baby, yeah. Do you want to show me what you've been doing? Oh guys, found a home for my tree. It's so beautiful. Just really brings that bit of colour. This room is quite a plain white colour, which I love, but that just brings a little bit of colour into the room, and I absolutely adore it. Millie, anyway, what have you been doing? Show me something squeaky.
I've been doing, close your eyes. Cover the camera. Cover the camera.
Go on then.
No,
I will look outside with the camera. Go on then. Look at the pretty view that we have.
Look.
I'm looking at the pretty view we've got out of our back door. And I'm going to look at Bo in the run.
Almost ready. Ready.
You ready?
Yep. I just need to switch them around.
Pardon?
I just need to switch a room around.
Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
What have I got to do? Show me what you've been doing. You've been colouring these in?
Yeah.
And now I've got to find a little tiny one.
Oops.
Oh!
You never saw that.
I never saw her, honest.
You never saw that happen.
Are you ready?
Yep.
You've been colouring these in, haven't you? Is it under this one? No, although that is good colouring, I like that. Is it under this one? The bottom of the owl? Yay! Let's have a look at him.
Can I show the guys what order it's in?
Look, that's where it lives. Good girl. Super duper.
Meet the veggies, boop. Meet the veggies, boop, 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 boop.
Where do they grow?
Mummy. I'm a song that can get on your head, get on your head, get on your head. I'm a song that can get on your head, get on your head, get on your head. I'm a song that can get on your head, get on your head.
Do you want to go and see if Daddy's finished your Chinese? Go and have a look in the kitchen. I'm just going to let Daisy say hello to everyone. Daisy! Say hey! This is Daisy. Right, so Daddy and Alfie have just got back from getting the Chinese, because what day is it? Saturday, which means we have takeaway on a Saturday, don't we? So while Leigh's dishing up the Chinese, Millie, what are you doing?
Taking all the flowers
Off of what? What is it? The season tree.
Yeah, but don't worry, we don't do this every Saturday. It isn't like a Saturday.
No.
This one's all good.
So what are you doing? You're taking down what season?
Summer.
And what are you putting up? Autumn.
We've been excited for autumn, like, oh, Mum, when's autumn gonna be? I was like, oh, about 2 months. I'm like, what? Like, oh.
We think of autumn as September, October and November, don't we? Oh, can you reach right to the top?
How did someone do that? I was doing splits on these people, and they said, and they were telling me to put my arms up.
Was that at cheerleading?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time this morning?
Yeah, I had a little faint in the car.
I was going to ask you when you got back if you had a nice time, but you were super duper tired, weren't you? So you went and had a rest, didn't you? And then you were busy playing with the tough tray, and Mum has been sorting out cupboards, haven't I, in the kitchen? Can you do it?
I've got it. I have got it.
Let's have a look at them.
Hot dog,
so
hot
cute.
dog,
What are they?
dog. Little acorns, mini acorns.
Can you do it?
Yeah. Guys, I'm going to review this in the next couple of days. That's cool. I know that's fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Good night. Mwah!
A successful couple of hours sorting out the kitchen cupboards early today. Kids' birthday decorations for this year. Loads and loads of candles. All the bits and bobs, batteries, light bulbs. More birthday bears. A few other little bits and bobs in that one. Medicine cupboard. All the kids' stuff. Our stuff, bits and bobs. And then the other one is baking stuff. I cannot believe how many tubs of hundreds and thousands I had with just a tiny bit left in. That went off at the beginning of the year. It was crazy. And the other one that I've managed to do is this one. Gonna make things so much easier to find.